Yes, I'm recording. Here he goes. The last train of the day. Here he goes. I'm going to so enjoy this. We on? Yeah. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hey. So again, thank you so much to the driver for that. We are now getting ready for our Leeds train. So I put in some on-train footage. But again, thank you so much for joining me here at Lancaster. If you enjoyed the tones, please comment, like and subscribe to Lewis the Travel Spotter, as it greatly appreciated. Again, huge shout outs to all the Avanti staff. Huge shout out to all of the drivers. They've done their awesome best. And yeah, so this, guys, officially Lancaster is now my #1 favourite station to come to, and I'm sure to be coming back here in the near future. So yeah, without further ado, let's get ready for my train, and I'll put in some footage. Thank you very much.